Hello everybody, welcome to YouTube channel Enrich Your Biology. We have completed human digestion in human being in my previous video. Today I am telling you some important points by which you can remember this process of digestion and on tips. What are those? The first and the foremost point is that there is no digestion occurs in pharynx, esophagus, and no significant digestion in large intestine as well. Then what is ingestion is the process of intaking of food. Egestion is the process of removal of waste by the anus, removal of fishes, that is called as the egestion. So undigested food is removed as fishes, that is called as the egestion. Then what is absorption? Absorption is the process in which absorbed food goes into the bloodstream. Assimilation is the process in which absorbed food is taken by the body cells for their growth and energy. That is called as the assimilation. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It weighs about 2 to 2.5 kg. Liver has dual blood supply. 75% of the blood is supplied by hepatic portal vein and 25% of its requirement is met by the hepatic artery. Length of small intestine is 7 meters, 22 feet. It is the longest part of the alimentary canal. And moreover, 80% of the water is absorbed in the small intestine, 10% by the large intestine, and 10% is excreted as fishes. Then salivary amylase is the first enzyme to mix with the food in the digestive tract. 30% of the starch is acted upon by the salivary amylase. Small intestine receives 3 juices: bile juice, pancreatic juice, succus entericus, that is the intestinal juice. Bile juice and pancreatic juice, they are released into the small intestine by common duct, hepatopancreatic duct. What is succus entericus? It is the mucus plus intestinal juice secreted by the gland cells of the intestine. Then more important thing is bile has no enzyme. It has only pigments, bilirubin and bilirubin. In addition to some pigments, there are present phospholipids also. And but it emulsifies the fats. It helps in digestion. It has no enzyme. It emulsifies the fats. Then large intestine is wider than the smaller intestine, and its length is near about 1.5 meter. In stomach, process of digestion occurs in stomach, protein digestion occurs and little fat digestion also occurs. Then pepsin is in the stomach, function in the acidic medium, and that acidic medium is provided by the HCl, which is secreted by the oxyntic cells of the stomach wall. Pancreatic enzyme function in the alkaline medium, and this alkalinity is rendered by bicarbonate ion, which are released by the intestinal mucosa. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the corrosion action of the HCl. Salivary amylase is also called as ptyalin. It functions in the alkaline medium. Urine is excretory waste product released through the urethra. Fishes are the undigested food released through the anus to the outside. In addition to this, I tell you that pepsin acts upon the proteins part of the food in the stomach, which are converted into dipeptides. In stomach, renin is also produced in case of infants. it helps in digestion of the, yes, milk, protein. So renin is produced in the infants which help in the digestion of the milk protein. Then fiber is also necessary for in our food for digestion, because fiber help in to say movement of feces outside the anus. So fiber where they are found in the green vegetables, because in the wall of these plant cells they are present cellulose which help act as the cellulose fiber. So fibers are very important part of the food. This is all about important points to remember, and you can remember the process of digestion in tips. One thing more I am going to tell you, pancreatic gland is endocrine, that is it releases hormone, insulin. It is exocrine, it releases pancreatic juice which contains the pancreatic enzyme. The entire process of digestion of all food components is completed in the duodenum. Absorption occur in the jejunum and ileum. Ileum is the longest part of the small intestine. It is highly coiled. This is all about the important points which you should remember. Okay, bye. Have a good day.